Well, an Uber driver was just arrested following a fatal hit and run here in my area in Southern California. So this is actually very close to me. This just happened 2 months ago. I wanted to talk about it because the news is just coming out. Before I get on this topic, I want to tell you guys about, if you're looking for an easy way to start making extra money, you can start earning passive income through a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that, I have over 1 million followers on YouTube. This is something I've been doing. I have other channels as well. I have another one with over 350,000 subscribers, and I have a couple more channels. And I make money on YouTube doing the faceless YouTube channel method. And for the first time ever, I'm teaching you guys how to do it. And that's why there's a 30-day free trial to sign up and learn. And look at this, guys. I've been bringing in over $10,000 a month so far this year. This is just from January to May. Today's May 8th. And you'll see there's over $50,000 in there. And if you go to last year, I brought in 120 grand, which is over 10,000. This is after YouTube's cut. And this is using the faceless YouTube channel method that I've started learning how to do. So I'm teaching you guys how to set it all up below. We have a group chat as well, and I will guide you step by step and give you channel shout outs, help you guys out. I'm a YouTube nerd. I love YouTube. It changed my life. It allowed me to buy my dream house here in Southern California. It just changed my life. It got me out of the rat race, got me out of just living not even paycheck to paycheck. Because I was negative. I was hitting overdraft every month. So anyways, check the link out below, 30-day free trial. Now let's get started with the video. Uber driver arrested following fatal hit and run. Early morning of March 3rd in Costa Mesa. I have a friend who lives in Costa Mesa. I'm relatively close to Costa Mesa. I'm about 40 minutes away, but I'm in that area quite a bit. In the early morning of March 3rd, 2024 in Costa Mesa, California, by the way, Southern California, Orange County, a distressing I'm in Orange County too. A distressing hit and run event unfolded that led to tragedy. It was around 12:25 a.m. when the Costa Mesa Police Department received a call that would bring them to a scene of a devastating traffic collision at the junction of Newport Boulevard and Harbor Boulevard. Yeah, I know exactly where this is. I've been there. What they found was heart-wrenching. An adult female pedestrian lying in the street, suffering from critical head injuries that threatened her life. The first responders from Costa Mesa Fire and Rescue provided immediate medical care in a bid to save her life. Despite their best efforts, the 47-year-old Costa Mesa woman succumbed to her injuries on March 5th, turning the incident into a fatal tragedy. Oh, rest in peace. That's so sad. Subsequent investigation was carried out. Yeah, so basically it was an Uber driver. He was arrested. I guess he hit the pedestrian. And what happens with it? These days, rideshare services like Uber have become a fundamental part of how we move around our cities. However, accidents involving these services can bring up complicated questions about insurance and liability. It's important to know that Uber provides insurance coverage for its riders, which is a safety net for both riders and, under certain conditions, pedestrians involved. This insurance coverage varies depending on the status of the Uber driver at the time of the accident. If the Uber app is off, the driver is covered by their personal auto insurance. If the app is on but no ride booked, if the driver is logged into the app but hasn't accepted a ride yet, California's rideshare insurance requirements provide a higher level of coverage. If the ride is then booked, Uber's insurance policy then offers up to $1 million in liability coverage, regardless of whether the passenger is in the car. Interesting. Keep in mind, guys, $1 million these days doesn't even get you that far. If you get $1 million payout for getting into obviously if you're fatal, I guess the money would go to the family. $1 million I'm assuming you have to pay taxes on that. And especially if you're living in California, you're paying what, 50% tax on that? $500,000 in exchange for one of your family members dying? Yeah, that's not gonna last you very long, okay? People who make $100,000 are now a year are considered in the poverty line in California. You cannot buy a home. You can't even buy a home if you're making $200,000 a year in California in most areas, especially in Costa Mesa, where home prices are like $1.5 million. Yeah, it's crazy. So anyways, really, really sad story about this fatal hit and run. Please be careful. That's another thing, driving Uber, guys. You know, this guy, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm assuming it was a complete accident. It was 12:25 a.m. I'm assuming he was just, you know, and at the same time, you're driving Uber, you're on your phone looking at rides, whether you like, you know, whether you want it or not. You have to click accept while you're driving. I always thought that was kind of weird, that it's like, you can't just say accept ride. Like, it would be better if it was voice activated. You have to literally be scrolling on your phone. And sometimes, yeah, it's like, and you're looking at the worst part too, guys, and maybe this should be Uber's fault, is you don't accept every ride, because some of the rides, they don't make sense. Okay, oh, a ride here, it's $7 to drive 20 miles, and you're like, no, I don't want to do that. You have to cancel it. You can't let it go, or else it'll automatically accept. And yeah, you're driving around 12:25 a.m. You're like, dude, wait, I can't see it. Oh, my phone's glitching because Uber's been running on my phone all day. Boom, you hit someone. So it's like, it is distracted driving for sure. But the more you do drive just in general, the more at risk you are of getting into an accident. So yeah, let me know your thoughts with this one, guys. Thanks for watching. And again, if you want to join my YouTube Faceless channel course, there's a 30-day free trial right now that will be ending very soon. Just opening it up for new people. Thanks for watching. Talk soon.